The 3 mm thick aerospace titanium sheets are fed into the massive washing chamber.
Pressure integrity confirmed. Zero leakage. Fluid flow verification complete. Pressure stable across all lines.
Laser scan confirms uniform diameter. Process B readiness confirmed.
Final clamp secure.
Confirmed. Thermal sensors are stable.
Initiating weld sequence in 3, 2, 1.
Deflection data is nominal. The stress test confirms the structural components for Process B meet safety margins.
This is Process A, a critical microabrasive blast using inert media. It prepares the titanium surface for high-temperature coating adhesion. The Sukhoi Su-27's internal titanium ribs are precisely maneuvered by a robotic arm and spot welded.
We're reaching the normalizing temperature now. Check the gradient.
Looks good. All parameters nominal.
Applied in a pressurized booth, the electrostatic charge ensures a perfect bond with the titanium structure.
Application density is stable.
Confirmed. The holographic display shows uniform coverage.
The heavy-duty AGV transports the newly welded structure towards final assembly, bridging the gap between.
Laser alignment shows green.
Confirmed level. Proceed with integration.
Next one goes here, just past the brace.
Okay, applying torque now. Check the line pressure after this.
All right, easy now. Keep it steady on your side. Copy that. Coming in slow. Watch the clearance on the right.
A comprehensive high-pressure leak check ensures the integrity of the Halon system.
The certified engine bay assembly is moved into climate-controlled storage. The manufacturing process from structure.
The certified engine bay assembly, designated Product A plus B, is ready for transport to the integration facility.
Alignment at point 4, slight adjustment needed on the starboard servo.
Acknowledged. Adjusting servo. Clearance looks good. Proceed with the ascent.
A little to the left, millimeter adjustment.
Steady, steady. Okay, it's seated.
Initiating connection to Process B data bus.
Confirmed. Fire suppression link established.
Status confirmed. Fire suppression armed and green. System self-test initiated. Fire suppression status nominal. Confirmed.
Ensure the Halon line has sufficient clearance here.
Verified. No interference detected.
Watch the Halon bottle clearance.
Clear by 3 millimeters. Keep coming back.
Panels are secured.
Confirmed. Structural integrity is nominal.
Chocks in.
Clear on the port side. Product B indicators green.
Initiating engine sequence 1.
Fire suppression system green. Optimal pressure, 0 faults. Process B complete.
The flanker accelerates, demonstrating the resilience of the titanium structure and fire suppression systems under intense dynamic load.
The critical fire suppression systems demonstrate the engineering integrity of the Su-27. We trust the robotic precision of Process B manufacturing.
With confidence in the titanium structure and the critical fire suppression system, the aircraft performs its mission safely.
Mission success, enabled by reliable engineering. The integrated Process B fire suppression system.
The crew utilizes advanced diagnostics. A quick scan confirms the certified status of the integrated fire suppression.
The Halon integration, or Process B, ensures continuous satisfaction throughout the life cycle.
Under extreme stress, the titanium engine bay, Process A, and the Halon mounting, Process B.
The final integrated product demonstrates the marriage of structural strength and sophisticated safety technology, ensuring silent protection.